Coco, come back! Coco! Why? I fed you, I gave you everything, why? Coco! Coco! Damn, my dog really going through a training montage. Dun, 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 head ass. Nah, these streets is cold, bro. We got dogs out here leaning off the dog nip. It's sad too, cause you can tell bro was a good boy. Get a job, chunky! Man, it's been like 3 months since I bought this guard dog and he still ain't grow yet. Like, come on, eat up, bro. I see the potential. You got that dog in you. Yeah!
Wants a totally normal peanut butter cracker. I do.
Treat. Hill. Pretend like I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no. Honey, no.
Oh, ça pue. C'est qui a pété?
Say, I love you. I love him. I love him. Say, I love you.
Everybody was going through fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
Oh God! She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, "What?"
Who did this mess? Cody, did you make this mess?
Tá fazendo brincadeirinha? Cadê o neném?
Look who it is. It's a Aww.
It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. Instead of waiting for great candidates to find you, ZipRecruiter.
Your go-to face to ruin a photo? Solid.
I filmed my dogs playing in slow motion, and the results are terrifying.
Joseph, why are you laying in my bed like that?
Seriously. That.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
See? Come on out.
Hey, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Hey, I'm trying to work.
Things my mum says to me that make no sense. When I'm just sitting here and she asks, who's the most handsome boy? Me. It's quite clearly me. How do you not know that? When it's morning and she asks, would you like your breakfast? No thanks. I thought I'd just live off fresh air and disappointment today. What kind of question is that?
Are you serious? You used to hate him.
Wow. Who is she? That fucking
I genuinely think she thinks he's her man. Like,
So pretty. It's mom's. It's mom. No, that's. Oh, do you want me to put it on you?
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Gotcha whiz.
Hey, yo, buddy. You want this cheeseful?
Like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Never met a bitch that ain't gon' cheat. All I know is dog ass bitches, they ain't heat.
hands in.
So this is what love looks like.
This is what love looks like.
Stay still, don't move. I'm sorry, buddy. Even heroes gotta make sacrifices. Hey, what is it, buddy? Is that an op? What the hell are you going? You're embarrassing us! Want a bite? Nope. Alright, for real, you can have a bite. Here, take a bite. I actually feel bad. You can have a bite. I ain't gonna lie, you can do whatever you want. Keep dancing, jumping. You still not getting no food. Yeah!